Okay, from the first quarter, you have learned the first tool of calculus at tinatawag natin siyang derivative at ito ginagamit natin to determine the steepness of the graph of the function f of x. Ganun din, ito yung tinatawag nating rate of change of the function f of x. Dito sa fourth quarter, matututunan nyo ang isa pang tool ng calculus at ito yung tinatawag nating integral calculus. At ito yung tool that is used to determine the area under the region. Itong dalawang ito ay inverse operations. Tulad ng addition, ang inverse niya is subtraction. We have multiplication, ang inverse niya ay division. We have raising to powers, ang inverse niya extracting roots. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if differentiation is the process of finding the derivative, we're expecting na given ang derivative, kukunin naman natin yung function. Or this is the process of finding the function whose derivative or differential is given. And this is what we call anti-differentiation or integration. Okay? Dito, given natin function, kinuha natin derivative, differentiation ng tawag. And then, dito naman, given yung derivative, ibabalik natin o hanapin natin yung function. Okay? Nakalagay dito, derivative or differential is given. Okay? Ano ba yung differential? From dy over dx, dinefine natin to as the derivative of y with respect to x. Or this is the rate of change of y with respect to x. Tinatawag din natin tong slope of the tangent line. But we have another definition for dy over dx. At tinatawag natin tong quotient of two differentials. Yung dx, tatawagin natin differential of x, and dx is equal to delta x. And dy is differential of y, but dy is not equal to delta y. We all know that delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Ito yung natalakay natin dun sa pag-start nating pag-aralan yung derivative of the function y equals f of x. Bakit hindi equal yung delta y dun sa dy natin? Let's have here the graph of the function y equals f of x. Ito yung graph niya. And to determine the slope of the tangent line, kinukuha natin yung increment of y at increment of x. Kinukuha natin yung delta y over delta x and we get the limit of this function as delta x approaches 0. At mapapansin nyo dun sa equivalent graph of the function f of x, yung ating delta y is the vertical distance or the increment of two y values between points P and Q, while delta x is the difference between x values between P and Q. And if we have the tangent line, mapapansin natin yung delta x is equal to differential of x. But since this is the tangent line, it represents the slope of the tangent line, ito na yung ating magiging dy. Okay? Ito yung dy natin, the vertical distance, at ito yung kanyang dx, ito yung horizontal distance. Okay? At mapapansin nyo, mas malaki yung, mas mahaba yung delta y is compared to dy. So therefore, dy is not equal to delta y, but delta x equals to differential of x. Now, I have here yung ating function, derivative, and differential para maintindihan natin pagkakaiba ng tatlo. Now, we have here a function y equals 5x squared minus 6. Its derivative is 10x, but the differential is 10x dx. Para bang cross-multiply lang natin si dx to the right side of the equation right after we get the derivative of the function. Another example is y equals cosine squared 2x. Its derivative is dy over dx equals negative 4 sine 2x, but the differential is differential of y equal to negative 4 sine 2x differential of x, or just simply dx. So, may pagkakaiba ang pagkakasulat ng derivative dun sa ating differential. Okay? Now, ang gagawin natin, kung given ang ito yung given, sa differentiation, itong given function, kinukuha natin yung derivative. Okay? Pagdating sa integral calculus, kukunin natin yung inverse of differentiation, also called anti-differentiation or integration. Itong given, derivative or differential, ibabalik natin o kukunin natin yung function. Okay? So, yon ang ating pag-aaralan dito sa integral calculus. Sa differentiation, function given, kinuha si derivative, okay, resulting to differential, or we can write the derivative into the differential. What we're going to do in the inverse process of differentiation, also called integration, is given sa derivative or differential, kukunin natin pabalik. Kukunin natin yung function. Okay? So on my next video, I'm going to talk to you about indefinite integral. Thank you.